X226 VR Drone 8K HD Wide-Angle Camera, Foldable FPV Quadcopter with large screen or VR mode, optical flow, and dual camera switch. Experience the thrill of first-person aerial flight like never before with the X226 VR Drone, a next-generation FPV quadcopter that blends immersive technology, high-definition photography, and smart flight control into a compact, foldable design. Whether you're a beginner, a drone hobbyist, or an aerial content creator, the X226 delivers a smooth, intelligent, and Ultra HD flying experience, complete with VR headset compatibility and large-screen remote options. Camera with flash stunning 8K Ultra HD dual camera system. Capture every detail from the sky with the X226's dual camera system, featuring a front-facing wide-angle 8K lens and a bottom optical flow camera. With remote electric camera angle adjustment, you can tilt your shots mid-flight and compose scenes with cinematic accuracy. Camera options: 4K, 6K, 8K HD, model dependent. Front camera: wide-angle lens with electric tilt. Bottom camera: optical flow sensor for ground imaging and stabilization. Dual camera switching: instantly switch views during flight. Immersive control: screen or VR experience. Choose your flying style. X226 version comes with a 4.5-inch large-screen remote controller, no smartphone required. X226 VR version includes VR goggles with built-in charging screen for immersive FPV flying. Perfect for racing, scenic flights, or immersive content capture, the VR option places you directly in the cockpit of your drone. Intelligent flight system and stable control. Powered by a 6-axis gyroscope and optical flow positioning, the X226 hovers with confidence, even without GPS. This gives users maximum control, especially indoors or in low-signal areas. Key features include optical flow hovering, steady in place for smooth video, 360 degrees rolls and flips, perform aerial tricks with one touch. Headless mode, fly without worrying about orientation. Speed switching, multiple speed modes for all levels. One key takeoff and landing, beginner-friendly operations. Powerful brushless motor and foldable design. Equipped with durable brushless motors, the X226 offers quieter flights, better heat dissipation, and a longer lifespan than brushed drones. Its foldable body is compact, lightweight, and easy to carry, making it perfect for travel or outdoor adventures. Motor type: brushless, high torque, low noise. Design: foldable arms for portability. Storage friendly. Comes with protective cases and spare blades. Battery and flight performance: fly longer and charge faster. The 3.7 volts 1800 mAh LiPo battery gives you up to 18 minutes of stable flight time, with a quick recharge via USB. Battery capacity: 3.7 volts 1800 mAh. Flight time: 13 to 18 minutes. Charging time: approximately 90 minutes. Frequency: 2.4 GHz, anti-interference technology. Control range: approximately 100 meters, ideal for short-range FPV flying. What's in the box? One X226 drone, standard or VR version. One remote controller with screen or VR goggles plus remote. One 3.7 volts 1800 mAh battery. One USB charging cable. One micro SD card plus card reader. Two spare propellers. Two propeller guards. One screwdriver. Two instruction manuals. Perfect for FPV beginners and drone enthusiasts. Kids and adults interested in flying toys. Entry-level aerial photographers. Tech reviewers or unboxing channels. Travel and outdoor content creators. Quick technical summary: camera 8K, 6K, 4K dual camera, front plus bottom, remote options VR goggles or 4.5 inches LCD controller. Motor type brushless, flight time 13 to 18 minutes, control range up to 100 meters. Flight modes headless, one key return, 360 degrees flip. Image transmission Wi-Fi FPV via app or screen. Hover system optical flow plus altitude hold. Folding design.